Hey everybody, I just want to introduce you to my early Christmas present that my mom gave me. It's GOKU and FAGITA. They're my new Cockatiels, and I'm so looking forward to teaching them to sing and to do tricks. See, one's back there sleeping, the big one, but the little one here, he's like very curious to learn stuff. Hello. Hello there. Hi. You want to come to my finger? Yeah, right. You're going to bite me. Soon I'm going to have you learning stuff. I know it. Right? Want to whistle? So, yep. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Bear. You guys are the best. Like I said, I cannot wait to teach these bad boys some things. Look how big this cage is. They got lots of toys. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Love it. I cannot wait. Cannot wait.